Question 22. The four squares pictured share a common vertex, a common corner of the shape. The three interior squares each have a vertex at the centre of the next larger square. The largest square has a side length of 8 centimetres, so this length here and this length here are 8 centimetres. How many square centimetres are in the shaded region? So I'm going to draw that shape out again and label it. We're told that at the centre is this square here. At the centre of this one, we've got the next one. At the centre of this one, we've got the final one here. This is shaded and this is shaded as well. This is 8. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. And then we're told that that one is 1. Now, 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is... Well, we're not looking at 3 squared at all, are we? We're looking at 4 squared. Because that's the 4 there. And 8 squared is 64. The shaded area... Now, we don't need to worry at all about that 8. We're just looking at that shape in there. So we're looking at the total, which is 4 squared of this. So that's the whole of that shape there. We want to take away the 2 squared. So we want to take, if we ignored that as a corner that's out, we want to take away the whole of that. But then we want to add this bit back in again, because we need to have this shape cut out, really. We're looking at this L shape, and this L shape is 2 squared, and then we have to add in this. Order of operations, adding doesn't come before subtracting. We have to do it when we've got adding and subtracting, we have to go from left to right. 16 subtract 4 is 12, add 1 equals 13. And this is our answer.